In this video I'll be cleaning my battery. So pretty much everything around here. Battery is like 6 months old, but the wiring and everything is pretty old. I never cleaned them so far, so I'm gonna disconnect them first. So this is a 2012 Acura MDX. This is 10mm, so I'm gonna lose them. You can use the wrench. This one is disconnected. Move it. Pretty old, that's why. If you want, you can remove this panel using opening all this screw, but I don't want that now. So first I will start with the dust remover. Electric duster. Second, I'll use this. Battery cleaner. I'll pour some of them over here. If you want, you can scrub it with something, but in my case I'll just wipe them. You can also add some brake cleaner, this parts cleaner. Looks way better. Just wait until it gets dry, maybe 10-15 minutes, and your battery is clean. When you are putting it back, always do the negative. Make sure your hands are not dry. Okay, as you can see, my everything looks very clean. How I started, if I compare, it's a lot of difference. I mean, the reason was to clean these metal parts, not this plastic. You can wipe them anytime, and I'll show you how you can reset the radio code on another video. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you.